Good evening. We now have a tornado watch for Bryan College Station, all of Brazos County, and the rest of the Brazos Valley until 4 a.m. Central. So what does that mean? That means there's the possibility of tornadoes, damaging winds, and large hail. Now, we're going to take a look at this radar right now. We don't have any tornado warnings out there, but we're beginning to see this line to the west of the Brazos Valley get its act together, and it's going to move east into a favorable environment for isolated tornadoes and damaging wind, and there is a small hail threat as well. Again, there are no active tornado warnings out there. We are under that tornado watch though until 4 a.m. Make sure that you have a plan in place in case a tornado warning is issued for your area. Have several resources to get warning information, and if you're in a mobile home or any type of manufactured structure, you may want to call a friend or maybe a relative and see if you can go ahead and head to their house just in case a warning is issued. Now, we do have a severe thunderstorm warning for Lee County. This is producing 60-mile-per-hour winds as it works its way towards the east. These storms going to impact southern parts of the Brazos Valley over the next couple of hours, so some damaging winds possible. Isolated tornadoes also a possibility within this line as it starts to get its act together, but luckily there are no tornado warnings right now, but we're keeping a close eye on this line of storms as it continues to advance towards the east. Notice this little bowing segment of this line to the west of LaGrange. That could locally be some enhanced winds of 70 miles per hour plus. So anywhere within this line that has that little bowing feature, those winds become enhanced. And again, these lines can quickly produce some isolated spin-ups. That's why there's that tornado watch that is in effect until 4 a.m. for Bryan College Station and the rest of the Brazos Valley. Notice the thunderstorms to the west of Bryan College Station starting to get their act together. So just to our northwest in Robertson County, we're going to have to keep an eye on these storms to see if they're able to tap into this really unstable environment that is in place over the Brazos Valley. So again, tornado watch in effect for Bryan College Station, all of Brazos County and the Brazos Valley until 4 a.m. Central. We are here in the studio. We're going to be here until the severe threat ends. So if that lasts until 4 a.m., we will be here to keep you updated. You can go to our Facebook page, Twitter for updates as well. But again, no tornado warnings out there right now, but this line as it starts to get its act together may produce tornadoes, and we will break in if there is a tornado warning issued.